For criteria number 1.1 to 1.3, this is our introduction to the assignment, and we are setting the scene. So what, in your own words, is an action research project? An action research project is where you as a teacher, you take stock of your strengths and your areas for development. So you are highlighting one specific area in which you would like to improve. An action research project is measurable, and it's something which you can put an intervention strategy in place to see whether or not this is going to make any changes to your teaching practice. A typical action research project is a teacher's behaviour management skills, for example, and it's implementing some intervention strategy or some activity to see whether or not it's going to make any impact to your lessons. A project can take between a matter of weeks, months, or even it could take perhaps a year in terms of quite a long action research project there, of course. But usually 6 weeks is the maximum time you should be spending on an action research project, no more than that. In terms of the assignment, we would like for you just to set the scene in your own words, so a paragraph on what is an action research project. An action research project is a method of systematically investigating a teacher's own current practice and highlighting areas for development. So we are looking at specifically an area for development. Following this, we would like for you to include some references. So what do others say about what is an action research project? So you can include a definition by Anne Gravels, of course, but we're also looking for perhaps 2 references here, okay? Are there any contrasting views on what is an action research project? But an action research project is a certain issue, often reoccurring, okay? And you as a teacher are highlighting this, you are going to make a positive change, of course, okay? And it's an organised and structured approach to investigating the issue. So we will see ahead that the action research project has a variety of stages in place. And finally, it's a common method for improving educational practice as well. So Kurt Lewin said that quote there. So we're setting the scene with what is an action research project, just in your own words here, okay? The suggested word count is 500 words, okay? And start to think about your very own action research project.